I'm going to show you how quick and fast to post a job using the ChoreRelief app. We have different services and categories. We also would like you take a look at the popular services and specialty services. But let's go ahead and post a cleaning job. You can type in whatever job details for your needs. Also, if you have pictures, it's always great to upload those photos. Next, you can set any service location you'd like the service to be at. So this is wonderful for if you want to send help for your elderly parents or for one of your rental properties or for your home if you have work. This way you set the time and the date. Keep in mind, you can still change this time and the date once you pick your favorite contractors. Everything is subject to negotiation between you and them. And here you could choose from either, if you have a budget in mind, you can put that in, or if you want to pay hourly, or if you don't have any budget, you can go with any budget. We also have some suggested prices for you, but ultimately you can choose whatever budget you'd like to post a job for. A credit card is not really needed at this point. And this is it. All you have to do at this point, sit back, relax, and wait for bids to come your way.